Changing your profile picture on Apple Music is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image. Step 1. Open Apple Music. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your Apple ID account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the Listen Now tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select your profile icon or your name at the top right corner to access your profile. Step 3. Edit profile. Once on your profile page, look for the Edit button or the option to edit your profile. Tap on it to enter the editing mode. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the editing options, find the section for your profile picture. Tap on the current image or the placeholder to choose a new photo from your library or take a new one. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Done or Save button to confirm the update. Now your Apple Music profile picture is updated. Enjoy sharing your music with a fresh new look.